How to export audio projects in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that you want to export. Make sure all your edits, effects, and adjustments are finalized before exporting. Next, go to the File menu, select Export and then Export Audio. Here you will see multiple options for exporting your audio, including formats like WAV, MP3, FLAC, or AAC. Choose the format that best suits your project depending on whether you need high-quality audio for music production or a compressed file for online sharing. You can also customize export settings such as sample rate, bit depth, and channels to ensure your audio meets your desired quality standards. After configuring the settings, select the destination folder where you want to save your exported file, give your file a name, and click Export. AudioDirector will render the audio according to your settings and save it in the chosen location. Once the export is complete, you can play the file to ensure everything sounds perfect. Now you know how to export audio projects in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.